Hi there, students. A requisition. To requisition. Well, this sounds like a polite request. Please, can I have? And in some contexts, yes, it is. For example, if you work for a company and you need a new desk or you need a dustbin for your office, you send a requisition for the new table or the new waste paper bin, saying that you require this. So a requisition in this context is an official way to say, I need this, please can I have this? I am requesting this. But very often to requisition is much more than that. It's to take, to seize. So during the emergency, the army requisitioned all of the vehicles in the area. So an official order saying, I need this, you're going to have to give it to me. So it's something that you demand that somebody does. To requisition, the appropriation of goods for military or public use. To appropriate, to commandeer. Or when the policeman says, I need your car, I'm requisitioning your car because he's chasing a criminal. Okay, so he to demand that you give something. I think you could requisition that somebody does something. So the local neighbours have requisitioned a meeting with the council. They've demanded that this happen. They've requisitioned that the council clear up their area. They order, they call for, they require. Okay, so requisition, a formal official request for something needed. Yeah, so I'm going to requisition a new mouse because this one I've got here is falling apart. The act of officially asking for something, to officially take something. The army requisitioned all of the food in the city. So they use this requisition or to requisition to demand something, especially for military need, and particularly from a country or an area that has been invaded, that has been beaten. Okay, so a requisition for clothing, a requisition for more troops, a requisition for money. It's an official request for something. It's saying, I need this. So if somebody in authority requisitions a building, they say, I need your house. They formally demand it and take it for official use. The authorities requisitioned the stately home and used it as a hospital for victims of the earthquake. The requisition can be the document which allows a person to obtain goods like this, is the demand in itself. So the act of taking something over, especially temporarily for military or public use. A requisite or a requisition. Yeah, one of the requisitions for this, one of the requisites, one of the necessary conditions for this, for something is, to requisition, a government could ask another, they could requisition another government for a fugitive or for a criminal, somebody who's running away from justice. To requisition, to require, to demand. I went to the personnel department to requisition somebody to help me do this. I also requisitioned a vehicle for us to use. So demanding something because you need it, telling people you need it, taking it, using it, and I think this is the idea. To requisition, this is a formal word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, or a formal writing as well. So a requisition, a formal request for something, a demand for something, or just give it to me, I need it, and I'm bigger and more important than you. So, enough. Oh, okay, sorry, the origin as well. Well, it comes from medieval Latin, requisito. Okay, require plus, yeah? Require, I need this, I require it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Requisition.